Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing. Anyway, right here I have 2 cups of rice. I just wash it. And I'm going to make you some seasoned rice with some ackee and vegetables. So it's gonna like a vegetable rice, but we're going to season it up. So basically 2 cups of rice washed off and a little bit of water over the rice, as you can see. What we're going to do is put some salt in it like this. So I'm using the good old sea salt. Alright. Once you do that, taste it. I'll take a little bit more because sea salt doesn't strong like the ordinary salt. Alright, let's give it a taste again. Perfect. Alright, next, some ackee. Alright. Then I got some mixed vegetables. I'm gonna put the mixed vegetable in it like this. The only thing is I don't want to have too much water, but I believe that's look good. We got thyme. We got some scotch bonnet pepper. And we're going to use a little bit of the Jamaican Valley season. And I'm using just a little teaspoon of the Jamaican Valley season, not too much. Alright. Then next we're going to put some butter inside of it. Just a teaspoon of butter. The guys are gonna see what's going on right there in the Chef Ricardo kitchen. Alright, then we're gonna put some spring onion. That's some spring onion. See that? That looking good. Then we're gonna put a piece of a white onion, not too much. So everything's supposed to cook down with this, you know, nice. Then we're gonna put a little bit of pepper. That looking good. Alright, so it is a ackee and vegetable rice. Very, very nice. You can put coconut milk if you like in it, but I'm just gonna keep it simple like this. And now we're gonna just make this cook for roughly about 10 minutes. Very easy recipe, guys. Alright, so enjoy it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more things will be coming, so stay tuned. Nice and lovely. So that's it right here. It's cooking down slowly and nicely. Alright, smell nice. So what we're gonna do, cover it and low it, make it go and cook. Alright, I'm gonna turn on my stove a little bit low, not too high, roughly on to about. I'm using electric oven, so I'm putting it down to 3 or 2.5 is good. Allow that to cook for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes, make it dry out goodly. And remember, it's basmati rice, and as I said, the mixed vegetable I'm being using is this one right here. So you can get this at the local shop. I don't want to show the label. You can go to the local shop and buy this mixed vegetables and use some ackee to make your ackee and vegetable rice. Or if you want to use some, you must can probably have some frozen vegetable in your fridge, in the freezer, so you can use that also. Enjoy it, guys. It's really lovely and nice. I like it. Come out really good and I'm happy. So stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see, look at that. Let's turn off the stove. I'm turning it off, you know. First of all, remove this pepper. See? You have to remove it, because if this bursts tonight, it's gonna be hot, the whole thing burn up. Alright, take a look at time and work around the rice. And look at thing here, time. And you can move them now. This is ready. Alright. This is ready. Look how that look good. Taste this. And let's share it out. See this? It's only a Jamaican chef cook them kind of way. Remember me tell the world that a Jamaican chef cook them kind of way. This is wicked. Look at that. It's all about the pepper on top of it for color. See that? Yeah. And the rice shelly and nice because I'm using the basmati rice, you know. And the basmati rice very easy to cook, guys. So remember I told you, it's just a little bit of water and left over the rice. Take a good look. Look at that. Really amazing to know comes the rice come out so lovely and nice. You see that? That's exactly what I talk about. And the rice is very shelly. And look how easy. I did this a while ago. So if you're at home and you want to do something, this come in really handy for you guys. Alright? Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show. Got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming. And I use Jamaican Valley season to bring in the flavor and all these things. So don't forget, we will be coming with a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas and a lot more things. This is just a tip of the iceberg from Chef Ricardo. There is more to come, and I will see you again. Bye bye.